In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google not working on Android phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to do this. Let's say the Google application just isn't working no matter how many times you try and open it, or it's just being slow or crashing. What you want to do is go over to your settings application, then scroll down and towards the bottom, you're going to see apps as one of the section. Now over here, go over to G and just locate your Google application. Go ahead and click on it. Then the first thing you want to do is force stop, which is at the very bottom right. Press OK. Then go ahead and scroll down and you're going to see storage as one of the options. Go ahead and click on that. Now, if you have any cache, like any storage in that, all you got to do is press clear cache on the bottom right. It's not going to delete your passwords or your data or anything. And then that's it. Try reopening Google again and it should work. What you could also do is do the exact same thing for Google Play Store and also Google Play Services. So just again, go to storage, then clear cache, and then it should definitely work. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.